Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is Thanksgiving and I wanted to wish everyone a very happy Thanksgiving, and I thought today would be a good day to give you an unboxing video. I am really excited about this fiber that I ordered because this is the last fiber of my Hydrocephalus project, and I'm super excited to spin that yarn. This is how my Hydrocephalus wall hanging is coming along, and I'm very excited about how far it has come and about what we're gonna do to finish it off. So it's too big to fit all in the camera. The next row is gonna be this skein of yarn, and then the next one will be this skein, and then finally the last section of the project will be this mystery fiber in here blended with these silks that I have back here. These silks are mulberry silk and sari silk, and so they're gonna be providing some extra color to the fiber. I know what I ordered, but you don't. So I'm gonna try this for you guys. By the way, this is over 2 pounds of fiber, and it came from the Chameleon Fiber Company. I unboxed some of their fiber in the last unboxing video I did for this project, and I enjoyed what she sent so much that I decided she was going to be the perfect one to help me finish off this project. Awesome. So this is a blend of merino and tencel silk, and that's going to be super soft and really fun to spin with. And so this is 8 ounces as of the white. The white is going to be blended with the silks back here, as well as everything else that's in this bag. Alright, and now for the color. Oh my gosh. So I am absolutely in love. So what's in here is the Tahiti roving, the Laguna Bay sari silk, and the Yaya roving. The Yaya roving came from the Yaya fiber sample that I got last time, and I just loved it so much that I wanted to be able to use it to finish up this project. So as you can probably tell by now, this project is going to have a whole lot of white, right? It's gonna have a whole lot of white in the last section, and and it's also going to have some blue mixed in with it, so that'll be really, so I'm really excited to combine these with this and the sari silks and mulberry silks. This Yaya blend has merino and lots of sari silk in it, and I believe there's also some mulberry silk in there as well. That'll make it lots of fun. I wish you guys could feel how soft this roving is. Here, let me just feel it. Feel it. Doesn't that feel amazing? It's just so incredibly soft. That's the thing about merino. It is just incredibly soft. I also got 2 ounces of the Laguna Bay sari silk, and a little bit goes a long way. I thought I would need 2 ounces of this, but I'm not sure I'll end up needing 2 ounces of this. But I would much rather have too much than not enough. So it was really important to me with this project to make it go from just the blue to having lots of colors in it to ending up with some blue and white, because I really want to tell the story about resilience with hydrocephalus, because with hydrocephalus, I'll always have it. I have to live with it. But it is possible to live a good quality of life with hydrocephalus. So that was the story I wanted to tell with this piece. So there is blue throughout, also lots of color and life and hope, and I hope that anyone who is out there struggling right now, that you can find peace and resilience in whatever struggles you're dealing with right now. So there you have it, all the fiber we're going to use to finish off the wall hanging. I will post again soon because I will have to spend a lot of time running this beauty through Athena, my drum carder. I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving, and I will see you again soon. Take care.